I know what you're thinking right now. Aaron, another phone soap video? Trust me, I'm thinking the exact same thing. This is like algorithmic suicide. Absolutely nobody wants to watch these videos, but I'm making them for a very specific reason. I'm making them because I care about your health. I'm making them because I want you and your family to be safe. In this world that we live in, of this pandemic and this global chaos and disruption everywhere, we have to go the extra mile. We need to take a couple extra steps to secure our safety and our health. And PhoneSoap helps us accomplish that. I have two more phone soaps I want to show you. I was going to make a video on each, but I figured since, hey, nobody watches the other videos, why not just make one video and get it over with, rip off the Band-Aid, and get back to talking about cell phone accessories and upcoming products like you guys want to hear. But first, let's go ahead and examine the PhoneSoap Go. I ordered all 4 of these with my own money, so it's not sponsored. It was a product I saw, fell in love with, and I thought that I would share it with all of you. Already, this is pretty cool. We've got PhoneSoap, kills 99.99% of harmful bacteria on your smartphones with UV lights. So that's what it does, sanitizes and charges on the go. And I will have to say, this carrying case is pretty legit. Now, if this was a handle, that would be cool. It's cool without the handle, but I'm just trying to make your product better. All right, here it is. Ooh, this is a unique color, something a little bit different. Here's the charger. I'm like, am I missing a charger? So you are only getting one UV light on the top and the bottom, no reflective coating. That does not mean you're going to get any less of a sanitized cycle, but what it does mean is it's probably going to take longer as compared to the PhoneSoap Pro. So this is right here, wireless completely. Nothing is plugged in here. And let's throw our PhoneSoap in there for a good sanitation cycle.
5 minutes later.
There it is, it's done. Now let's pull out our smartphone. So there we go. Now we also have the option on the back here to put in a USB-C, and that will of course plug into the phone, and you can charge while it is cleaning, and there's what they're calling acoustic pass through. So we're gonna go places with this. We're gonna do things with this. We might even take this to the office and share the goodness with the employees there. So we have safely sanitized the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, in case you were paying attention, no, it's not a good idea to put your clean, sanitized phone back into your cell phone case if it is not sanitized. But luckily, we have another PhoneSoap over here that we're about to open up and review. That is the wireless. So this one is a little different. They're all a little different, but they all kind of do the same thing. Hopefully it's because it's without wires. Okay, so this is just gray. Charcoal, I think they called it. This one has 2 UV lights on the bottom, and they are pretty well spread out. And I'm wondering if that is a wireless charging pad inside of there. So I'm gonna put that in there. As this is plugged in, you can see that this is charging wirelessly. I've got the little charging icon lit up, says right there, wireless charging, 8 minutes until full. So this is sanitizing our device while it is wirelessly charging it, where the difference of the other ones is it sanitizes the device while it's being plugged in through an actual cable. If I had to pick which one I rather do, I much rather charge through a cable because I know I'm going to get a more solid, probably a little bit of a quicker charge, even if this is fast charging enabled wirelessly, which I doubt it is since I don't remember hearing or seeing anything about that anywhere. You need to have a device that is wireless fast charging enabled, and at the moment there are not many out there that actually do that. So with that being said, this is a nice little treat. It's a nice option. We have several options that I want you to consider before you make the decision to actually go out and buy your PhoneSoap. I'm going to go ahead and review those with you right now. So what we have in front of us is the PhoneSoap Pro, and this one is going at $119.95. Not a bad deal. This is the one that has the reflective coating on the inside and also has the dual LED lights inside. This little guy is the PhoneSoap Wireless. The deal with this one is there's a wireless charging pad inside of here. If you have a wireless charging enabled device, this is going to be super sweet. It does need to be plugged in while it is charging. Wireless means your phone is wireless, not the PhoneSoap is wireless. The price on this one is $99.95. This one is the PhoneSoap Go, which is $99.95 as well. This actually can hold a charge, and you can plug your device in on the back through USB-C and charge your device while this is on the go. So if you're in the car, this is perfect for you. This is the PhoneSoap 3.0. This is the oldie but goodie. This is $79.95, I do believe. It has one light on the top, one light on the bottom, no reflective coating. I have not been able to activate the USB-C on this one as of yet, but maybe I just need to try again. I do think this is a great value at $79.95 if you are being a little bit cautious about pricing. This is the one you're going to want to go for. If you're on the go a lot and you got places to go, people to see, things to do, and you need to stay sanitized, this one is for you. If you're home but you want to use wireless charging and not have wires and have no additional wire clutter, then PhoneSoap Wireless is for you. If you are very worried about germs and bacteria and everything else, and you want to take it to the next level, and you want something that's going to cook your phone clean in 5 minutes, then the PhoneSoap Pro is for you, which myself is my favorite one thus far. These two I just unboxed, so I don't really know how much I like them compared to this one, but if I'm compelled to make a video, I'll come back and I'll share it with you. Guys, in the description of this video, you got to hit the little button, expand all the words, and you got to actually see there is a discount, a coupon code if you want to go ahead and buy your very own PhoneSoap. I absolutely love this brand. They have been a pleasure to work with. I would love them even more if I didn't buy all of these myself. So you want to go ahead and support the channel? Click on that link, save some money, and support me as a content creator so I can continue to bring you guys amazing quality videos. For the love of tech. Till next time, namaste.